Let's start with this one. That's for me. This one's from Sherry. Thank you, Sherry. There should be another one. Oh, there is. That's the one for Barb. Why, Sherry? This is for Barb? What? The grandmother-to-be. Oh, it's the bib set. Lovely. Thank you, Sherry. This is for me, sweetheart. What? To keep at my house. Will you have one too? I'm so confused. The baby will need things when he stays at my house, Jennifer. I am the grandmother. What? Barb, you asked your friends to bring you grandmother gifts? Did I do something wrong? Not at all, Sherry. That was a generous gift. It's just that my daughter doesn't want to celebrate me as a grandmother. That is not accurate, Sherry. Apparently my mother decided to throw herself a grandma shower in the middle of my baby shower, and I had no idea. Oh. You have left me out of every celebratory moment of your entire pregnancy, Jennifer. Just because you feel entitled to watch a kid exit my pee hole does not mean